Hey everybody, welcome into the Beard Trends. We have a whole new group here. Check this out. We got the normal Kaz, the normal myself, Faithfully Bearded Tyson. We have Beard Swag, who joined us last month, and we have the new guy down here, this guy, that beard guy, Kansas City. His name is David. And this month, we got some packages from Kerry at Defined Beard Company in Buda. In Buda, Texas. I call it the Buda, Texas. So we're going to kind of go through, unpackage these for you. So we'll give you our first impressions of the scents. We'll go over them. And then we're going to spend the month testing these out, checking out the scent profiles. We're going to all do reviews at the end of the month. And then we're going to have a live stream at the end of the month where you guys have an opportunity to join us and win. We'll probably have Kerry on live with us. So let's go ahead and kick it off. I'm going to hand it over to Kaz over here, have him unbox his package for you guys to see how the presentation goes. He'll kick it down to Mike and he can unbox his and give his impressions. And then we'll go to Dave and then myself. So Kaz, go ahead and take it away, will you, sir?
Oh, very nice. Look at that.
Oh, look at that box.
Look at that box. Really, really nice. I like that a lot.
I like box.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. So I took a look at the graphic design before I did this here, and really interesting choice with the clear bottles. Very yellow liquid. Very interesting. Do you guys know if there's are there restrictor tops in this or what?
I think
yes.
Does it have the dropper too? Restrictor top or dropper option?
No,
okay.
just the restrictor.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so this is the Psychobilly. Just turn off the thing that Cribs loves so much, the little plastic doohickeys.
Yeah.
The garbage, as we call it.
Garbage.
Ooh. That kind of reminds me of like kind of speed stick deodorant a little bit for whatever reason. Wow, okay. Interesting. Yeah. So for some reason I'm getting like kind of speed stick deodorant type of smell to it. It's nice. I like it a lot. Really, really refreshing. You guys know the scent profile on it? It's probably on here, right?
Psychobilly Quiff is like a barbershop scent, like a 50s
barbershop.
Yeah, their take on it.
Blended bergamot, basil leaf, oak moss, and white patchouli.
White patchouli, yeah. That is really cool. I like that. I've never smelled anything like that. That's really cool. And then, yeah, so then we have the Caballero Balm up in some more garbage. But it's important. It's really important to keep it safe while shipping, so you know that Defined is doing the right thing. There's the Caballero Balm. Here's the Caballero Oil. Wow. And then we got some streamers at the bottom here. Very cool. So the scent profile on this one is chocolate Cavendish pipe tobacco, oak barrel aged bourbon, vanilla, and Texas cedar. Okay, interesting. that is okay. So I'm not a really big fan of chocolate myself. However, the smell for me has never been an issue. It's been mostly the taste. So let's see how that works out for me.
You don't like the taste of chocolate? What is wrong with you?
No, never been a fan. Yeah, I've been teased about it all my life, and here's Tyson tearing into me even further.
And Tyson brings it out.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's quite nice. A little cedar coming through, definitely very chocolatey. Not entirely sure if I'm going to actually like wearing that one in my beard, but very interesting nonetheless. All right, so we'll move on to the next fella, which I believe is either Curbs or David.
This guy, well, y'all, I got the same goodies. I don't know what's in here, though, but we're going to find out. So Kerry Jennings, Defined Beard Company. Rip and tear, y'all. Get that out of here. Yep, very cool box. I like the stamp on him. I like his the fonts and everything that are all on his labels, on his cones, on the decals. Everything about the font is just classic, gentlemanly. I feel.
It speaks Defined, right? Like it just goes
very
with the name of the
Defined.
company.
So you got the card that's in there. You got the decal. And then we got some products. And I got Distinguished Caballero. in the oil.
Have you not smelled Caballero yet?
No, I've got the others, but this is the first. I've got it in the butter. So this will be my first take on this. And I love the other two scent profiles. So original, so fresh, very intoxicating. And then I always like to take these out. Not cut myself doing it, but you can just pop them right out of there, and then you don't have that stuff on there.
Oh man, you like to go in raw, eh?
Oh,
Ooh.
let me just dab a little on here. I am a professional, y'all.
Don't try this at home.
Check out that new beard shelf back there.
Let's wake this up.
The thing's beautiful.
Are you gonna hang it out on the wall?
No, I'm not going to hang it on the wall. It's heavy. That thing's a beast. So I get the chocolate. I get some cedar. I get a little bit of that bourbon and some tobacco. It's like a chocolate pipe tobacco, I guess you could say. No, I like that a lot. Very good consistency of the oil.
Yeah.
Oh, see how that just stays on there?
Look at that little indent in there.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that little poke. Just show you.
Like a belly button.
How nice and smooth that is. It feels like it has a little bit of grit to it. It does. But man, just goes away. And then let's get into this twist top.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, let's get into some of that too, y'all.
Ooh, nice.
Let's see, that's about a light to a medium hold. That'll be nice. I'll go ahead and put some of that in right now. So that's what I got. First impressions of that new scent profile he's got matches just right along with his other scent profiles. Kind of more of a deep and a rich kind of a scent profile than the other really bright ones that he has with the Psychobilly and the 1626. But epic. I love it. It's an amazing scent.
So I'll go. I have all three of the scents. And for me, this was the newest addition to it, the 1626. I love El Caballero. I love the off-brand, or not, it's a different barbershop take. Like, I'm not a talc fan, so whatever he did in Psychobilly Quiff was really good for me. But this one, this is one I haven't worn yet. This is the one I was missing. And this one, the 1626, is orange, eucalyptus, sandalwood, patchouli, and a few surprises to create a clean and fresh scent. And this one is, I love it. I don't think you get too much of the orange or the eucalyptus. Yeah, I mean, I've used all of Kerry's stuff. I love his butters. I love the balms from when I use them, but I think the star of the show, I love his oils. His oils are really good. But I'm anxious to get into this and see how it smells in beard. Yeah, beautiful containers. And I don't want to ruin anything for the review, so I think I'll stop there and save what I have because we've already unpackaged and everything. So I'll pass it off to Tyson.
So I have actually reviewed Define before. I've spoken with Kerry quite a bit. I think I actually launched his company back in January on video for him. So it's been a really good relationship that I've had with him. He's working on a special scent for the Mike Tyson show that we're going to have a Mike Tyson type of collaboration for the show. That's a limited time thing. I had Psychobilly Quiff and 1626 when I did the review. 1626 is a highway that runs through Texas. It's a crisp, clean scent. Psychobilly Quiff's a barbershop scent, but it's not your average barbershop scent. To me, it's just an amazing scent, probably my favorite one. And then he recently came out with Distinguished Caballeros, or however you say it. And it's not my type of scent. It's a chocolate Cavendish, and what it is for him, you know, it's a chocolate Cavendish. If you like that, you're gonna like it. The chocolate is kind of rich. You get that tobacco on there, but he also has more recently came out with the butters, And I kind of tested some of these butters for him, and, you know, we went back and forth on it. I tested out the new scent too. And these things, I mean, I want to save a lot of this for the review, but my first impression when you get these things is they're like a brick, man. These things are big, and they match up with his branding. And I love that. That's like one of the first things I notice is like the branding is on point all the way across the board between balm, butter, and oil. So I'm excited again to just wear these again. It's been since January since I've really played with them in my beard. So I'm excited to get to wear them out. And then we're going to come back towards the end of the month, and we'll all do our own separate reviews and put those out for you guys. But in the description of this video, there's going to be a link to everybody here's channel. Make sure you're subscribed to everybody so you know when we come out with our reviews, again, towards the end of April. We're going to have a discount code for you for Define Beard Company. We're going to end up doing a live stream, most likely on a Saturday afternoon, to maybe the last Saturday of the month. We haven't come up with an official date yet, but we also have the Beard Trends Facebook group. You can go join that. We'll post in there when we're coming out with our reviews, when we're launching. But if you follow us on Instagram, in the Beard Trends group on Facebook, and you're subscribed to all of our channels, you're not going to miss it. And then we're going to have us four come back for a live stream. Hopefully we'll get Kerry involved with it. We're going to have some fun, a discount code, and some giveaways for you. So anybody wanting to add anything, or should we wrap this up and let everybody dig into the Defined?
I'm starting to really fall in love with this psychobilly, eh? I've been smelling it more and more. Man, it's really nice and sophisticated.
Yeah,
really, really
it's awesome.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's a great scent.
Yep, and that's all I wanted to really add.
And these things last all day, but I'll kind of throw that into my review and towards the end of the month. But these are some strong scent profiles that are going to last you quite a while. Anything from you, Swag?
No, man, I think I said too much. You know me, I get into open up these packages and I went a little bit too far on the unboxing, you know me, but I just get excited about these products. I love what Kerry does. I just get excited for all of us to get together. The vision and the things that are coming on this Beard Trends is just going to be amazing. The brotherhood that we're going to build is just killer. I just can't wait for the things to come. But right now, Define, y'all. That's what we're going to be breaking down for you soon. So look for it.
Heck yeah, look for it. So be on the lookout. Join the groups if you want. Follow us all on Facebook or on Instagram and on the YouTube. And until we talk to you guys again very, very soon.
Beard Trends out.
Beard Trends. Peace out. And God bless.